Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Green color, purple color, red color, orange color, blue color, chocolate color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Triangle, cross, star, pentagon, square and heart. First we're going to draw the shapes. Triangle. Next, cross. Next, star. Next kids, pentagon. Next, square. Next kids, heart. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, triangle. Next, blue color, cross. Next, orange color, star. Next, purple color, pentagon. Next, chocolate color, square. Next, red color, heart. What we learn? We learn green color, triangle, blue color, cross, orange color, star, purple color, pentagon, chocolate color, square, red color, heart. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.